welcome to another vlog. I guess this is kind of repetitive because I keep going to the flea market. Well, I'm going to another flea market, but this time I usually go with someone to the flea market, like my cousin or my friends, but they're busy today, so I'm just gonna go alone, but I'll take you guys with me. It's a Miffy themed flea market, so I have my Miffy clips on, and I have a purse that has like Miffy keychain. Let me show you. Anyway, let me show you my outfit of today, and we could get going. I have a pimple patch because I have pimples right now, so that's fun. I love breaking out. Outfit tag. Can you see my face? Probably not. So Miffy clips, if you have seen it. Let's see. Strawberry shortcake baby top, baby tee. Bolero, a skirt, and then I'm wearing leg warmers. And then for jewelry wise, I'm wearing a heart earrings, and then the second one is a pearl chain thing. Here's a pearl necklace, and then Vivienne Westwood like necklace, but it's not like Vivienne Westwood, but it's better to me. It's a locket. I haven't put anything in the locket yet because I have nothing to put inside, but yeah, that's my outfit.
The cake, strawberry, and cookie.
Hello, haul time. I'm back home. Actually, I've been back home for an hour. I went to eat, show things to my parents basically, but now that I already ate, I think I have a mosquito bite. Oh, I hate them. Anyway, let's do a haul. I bought a cookie, a Miffy cookie. You already seen it from the previous clip, and I gave it to my dad for that, so that's part of the haul, but I don't have it to show you now, but that's okay. So let me show you this car sticker. It's so cute. It's from, I think their username is Ubi something stickers, I think. I'm gonna just put it right here and then you could like know it because I'm not gonna pronounce it. But because Sorio Market today, the theme was Miffy, so they started selling Miffy, and this is a new, back to what I was saying. This is the newest edition they have. It's a Miffy calling sticker for your car. I'm gonna probably add it to, I have a New Jeans car sticker in the back of my car, so I'm probably gonna put it next to it, like the left side of it. I'll just show you the next clip when I do it, when I go outside. I don't really want to go outside, but I'll do it just for putting it on basically. Yeah, and then from every purchase you get a free Miffy sticker, so it's so cute. It's a purple Miffy. I love it, and I have Miffy, well obviously, but anyway, I got business cards from some business, like this one. This one's so pretty. Like they're like they sell memo cards and memo sheets and like stickers of their based on their characters, like their business characters. It's so cute. I don't remember if I scanned them, but I'm gonna follow them later. And here's another business. This one is, I think this one sells like, I'm assuming, I forgot what I did. I think it was jewelry and hair clips and keychain maybe. I know the sister that was telling me about how she does like tooth gems, and then that was pretty cool. And then she had a really cute Sony Angel tattoo, and then we started talking about the Sony Angels for a little bit, so yeah. And then my last thing that I got from my haul is this purse. It's so pretty. Okay, by the time that you see this video, I'm pretty sure the prom for fashion club will be over anyway, but basically this matches with my dress that I'm gonna wear for the fashion club prom. And the theme is Met Gala. You know, Met Gala is not really a theme, but yeah. Anyway, I bought this purse. I got it from my friend's business, and it's originally like $50, but she told me that I could pay $40, so I did, and it's so cute. I have like so many purses, and the area that I store my purse, I have no space. I need an area to store my purse. I think people put their purse on their wall. I would do that, but then I don't know if it's gonna look weird in my wall. Like I do it right here, but I don't know. Anyway, that's the end of my haul. Hello. Okay, this is couple days after the last clip I filmed, which was on Sunday. So today is Thursday, and it's like around, okay, it's like around, I forgot, it's around 4 p.m. right now, and I have a scholarship ceremony to like attend around like, it starts, it's check-in and dinner is around 6 p.m. so I had to be there around like 5:30ish. So yeah, but there's a dress code and it says dressy business, and the only thing I have is black dress, so I'll show you my outfit. And also I don't know if I'm gonna film anything because it's a ceremony, and also I'm attending with my friend because my friend is also that got awarded too, and so I'll be sitting like next to her family. So yeah, I think the only thing I'll like film is maybe the food, and that's it. But yeah, let me show you my outfit, and then yeah, my outfit. Yeah, I had to tie, but you can't really see because I have a cardigan. So this is the earrings and then necklace. Yeah, that's all. Hello. As you can see, I am pretty much ready for my prom. I just forgot. I didn't really want to do a get ready because I'm gonna put that on TikTok and like Instagram. So yeah, so this is basically, YouTube will be like the final product, which is me, obviously. Anyway, so I have, for fashion club we have a prom and it's Met Gala thing, so my outfit is not that extra, so I added pearls. It is random, but the thing is I have pearls on my earrings and also pearls on my necklace, so I think it matches. My bow is the most random color because I don't have any color in my outfits. It's just like neutral because it's like my dress is gray. I'll show you later, but I have like red bows. I just want to add, it just looks so cute. Anyway, that's my purse in the background. I'll show you my outfit right now. I said I only want a glove right now because I took it off, but anyway, this is my dress. It's so pretty. I feel like a princess. So this is basically my outfit. Also, this is like my first ever prom since I was a class of 2020, so we never got prom. So this is my first experience. But yeah, this is my dress. I have gloves. I have another one. I'm gonna add it later. And then for accessory, me and my friend is like matching in like fan wise. So this is random. This does not match the vibe of my outfit, but I'm gonna add a fan to my like accessory anyway. And then my purse will be like part of my outfit like this, or I could just wear it like this. Ta-da! Yeah. So, and then I think, let me see, what else am I adding? Oh, I'm adding boots. I forgot. My standard boots. I wanted to buy a new shoes, but then I already spent so much on my dress, so might as well just like have this boots because it still matches my outfit vibe. So yeah, so that's basically my outfit. Go spin.
I feel like I'm like an emo band, you know?
Hello! Hello! You want Shaggy?
It's a shadow.
Not a Shaggy.
Alien. Hello, here's the fit. Wow. DIY. She's so cute. Cute! The duo of the night. Perfect. And then you can take a...
I'ma need y'all to clap right now. I'ma need y'all to clap right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I really like you, girl. Just stay for a little while. I could be your guy if you just wanna spend the night. I just wanna know your name. And girl, I'm not playing no games. I'ma give it to you straight right here. I don't really want anything. 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 I'm just here for tonight. I don't really want anything. I don't really want anything. I don't really want anything. I'm just here for tonight. Damn, it's 5 a.m. Let me know if I can hit it again. I don't wanna take all of your time. I don't need no sense, you're my dime. We can chill and smoke away. Please don't let these feelings fade. But before we start our day, I don't really want anything.
Come here. Let's do all. Let's go. Come here.
Why is it so hard to play?
Oh, you wanted this?
Outfit check. I'm going to the beach. This is Friday. Beach bonfire hosted by Fashion Club, which I am part of the board. So yes.
Oh, you need to get. You need to like have your.
I'll just take a video. Wait, hear me out. Do not take me this side. Take me this side of the okay? This side of the yeah, you can hold around the background.
Yeah, there's a lot of background.
No people. I don't.
Oh, the girl.
But the other thing is that it's really good. Oh, that's nice little man what you're doing. You got the doggy?
Like what? I'm going to deliver you.
I got 10. You want to see?
And I'm really excited to see like where the club grows, even from like where me and Lo brought it from. You know what I mean? It's really cool to see the different events that we've accomplished and like the different relationships that I made throughout my college experience. And I'm really grateful for this club and for having formed me into to be able to like go out into the world and conquer different aspects of my life. You know what I mean? Like I have a business now. I have a lot of different things that I've grown from Fashion Club. So I really appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.